back a few times. And taking a moment to just settle into your space. Go ahead and close your eyes. Place your hands over your heart space. And take an assessment of how you're feeling physically in your body. And just accepting everything as it is right now. With the intention setting of alleviating some of the pain that you may feel or the discomfort. Bring your mind and body together. And anything else you want to bring into your life in this moment. Let's go ahead and take a deep breath in through the nose. And then slowly let it out through your mouth. Relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the face. One more breath in through the nose. Slowly out through your mouth. Lengthening that exhale a little bit more. And again, lengthening the inhale, so deeper breath in. Hold your breath for a moment. And then slowly let it out through your mouth. Curious Kitty wants to know what you're doing. Inhale through the nose. Fill up. Exhale out through your mouth. Now taking one hand down to the belly, we're going to do diaphragmatic breathing. We let the belly inflate with the breath in. So inhale, let it expand into the hands. We feel the other hand also with the expansion. And then slowly seal the lips, exhale through the nose as you allow the belly to go in towards the spine. Empty yourself out. On the inhale, let the belly rise, let the chest rise into both hands rise up. And then on the exhale, the hands relax, feel the hand against your chest, against your belly. One more deep breath in. Let that belly expand, let that chest expand, and then slowly through the nose, exhale, belly goes in. Nice and slowly release, hands come to the knees. We're gonna start rotating the torso around in circles, just gauging on how your joints are feeling today. You can also move the head around if that feels good to you. So just moving nice and gently, and we synchronize the breath. So inhale, the torso goes back, and then on the exhale, the torso goes forward. Allowing the spine to release any tension as you do this. And let's go ahead and switch to the opposite side. So take it to the other side. Inhale and exhale as you move. Feel the breath in, feel the breath out. Slowly back to center. Let's take a couple of twists. You're going to take your right hand to the left knee, the left hand behind you. Yeah? On the inhale, we lengthen the spine. On the exhale, we press the knee away. We twist over, looking over the left shoulder. So spinal twist. So to stretch the back, to stretch the spine, take a deep breath in. And then on the exhale, we press and twist a little deeper without overdoing anything. Just take it to your own limits. We breathe in, we breathe out. We stay here. We breathe in, we breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more breath in. On the exhale, come back to center. And then we're going to switch sides. How does that feel to you? Sorry, my computer is telling me that it needs to do an update and I need to. I don't know if this is not the time. Thank you. All right, let's do the other side. So left hand to the right knee, right hand behind you. On the inhale, lengthen the spine. On the exhale, twist. We're looking over the right shoulder this time. We take a deep breath in. Lengthen the spine. On the exhale, we look over, we twist over to the right. We stay, inhale, exhale. For 3 more breaths. For 2 more breaths. 1 more breath in. 1 more breath out, and then slowly release. Come back to center. You're gonna go ahead and walk the hands forward till wherever they reach. Imagine you have spider fingers. We walk it forward, we relax the head. And we stay here in this posture, feeling the stretch in the back. Slightly stretching. Relax your cervical spine. And just let the breath move in your body. Feel as if you're breathing into the back body, into the low back, into the middle back. Feel the expansion of the breath on your back. Deep breath in, exhale. Allowing the shoulders, the head, and the neck to relax. One more breath in. 1 more breath out. Walk your hands over to the right side. So keep that same pose. Walk it over to the right and position your left hand over the right hand to feel a slight side body stretch here. And relax the head. Keep relaxing the head and keep breathing into those areas that feel tight. Breathing in, breathing out. Letting that breath open space in your body. Breathe in and breathe out, and then slowly walk it over to the other side. So your hands walk to the left, position the right hand over the left, and again relax into the pose. Find the breath in and let that breath go deep to that right side, into the low back, into the rib cage. Breathing in and breathing out, and slowly we walk it back to center. We come all the way up. Nice job. We're gonna take the right hand into the left knee. Position there. Right hand to the left. Yeah, opposite. Left arm goes up. We take an inhale, and on the exhale, we press. So this is kind of like your anchor, right? And your other arm goes up. And you can do little pulses if you want, or you can find stillness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We hold the pose. We take a deep breath in. Feel the lengthening of the side. And then slowly release. Let's take it to the other side. Left hand to the right knee. Right arm goes up. Inhale. We find the anchor down, and then we bend. And we pause for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We find the stretch. We breathe in, and we breathe out. Slowly back to center. Go ahead and take it to hands and knees. So your shoulders are right above your wrist and your hips are right above your knees. And we're gonna start rotating the hips in circles. You can start moving in any way that feels good to you. So go ahead and roll the hips around, open your joints, lubricate your joints. And then move with the breath. Inhale forward, exhale back, roll it around. And now we switch. Go to the other side. Breathe in and breathe out. Keep moving. bring your knees together, right where you are. So come back to center, bring your knees together, and we move the hips from one side to the other side. Almost like you want to touch the glute down to the ground. Yeah, I'm just stretching the hips here, one side and the other. One side and the other. One side and the other. And now slowly coming back to center, open your knees again about hip distance apart. And now we're gonna do cat-cow. So on the inhale, belly drops, look up, tailbone goes up. On the exhale, tailbone rolls in, you press that mat away, chin goes towards the chest. And then again, from the inhale, drop the belly, arch the back. On the exhale, round the back, like a scary cat. On the inhale, up. On the exhale, down. Engage your abdominal muscles as you exhale. On the inhale, we let the belly rise. On the exhale, we tuck the navel towards the spine. One more inhale, up. On the exhale, down. Stay here for a moment. Stay here in your cat pose. Take a deep breath in like you're stretching your back. Inhale, exhale. Stay here for 5. For 4. Tuck that tailbone for 3. For 2. And 1. Now we go to neutral spine. So tabletop position. Now we're gonna go ahead and take the right leg out and the left arm forward. If you can, bring the leg up. Stay here for a moment. This is called bird dog. We hold the pose here. Hips are parallel to the ground. Breathe in and breathe out. Find your stability on both hips. Breathe in. We're looking down towards the ground. No creases in the back of the neck. 4 and 5. Now we're take elbow to knee. So we crunch it over, squeeze the core. Try to bring the elbow to the knee to the elbow. On the inhale, we lengthen. On the exhale, we crunch the elbow to the knee. Keep moving in this way. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, crunch. Make sure you feel those abs working. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, crunch it over. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, crunch it over. 3 more times. Breathe in and breathe out. For 2. And 1 more inhale. Exhale and slowly release. Relax that other hand. You can shake it out a little bit to, or you can roll the wrist around a little bit for a moment.
No. You cannot. You are here in the eye test. You are part of the group.
And we're gonna go ahead and take it to the other side. So left hand is down, right arm is up, left leg is up.
No. You're not gonna.
Bird dog on this side. Find your balance first. So you're looking down towards the ground. We're long line in the body from the fingers to the toes.
I will give you homework.
Breathe in, breathe out. Stay here.
You have chair at home, right?
For 3.
You're gonna put a chair
For 2.
against the wall. Turn around.
And 1. Now inhale, lengthen, exhale, elbow to knee. Crunch it. Inhale, lengthen.
Remember the test we did?
Exhale, elbow to knee.
Squats,
Crunch it.
seated stand. That's exercise.
Breathe
very important.
in.
You want strong legs.
Breathe out. Let the breath guide the movement. Inhale.
Strong legs.
Exhale, 4.
Strong legs.
Breathe in. Exhale, 5.
You understand? So I want you to do every
Nice
day.
job. 3 more. Inhale, exhale, 6.
5 repetitions, 3 times a day. So you're doing it in the morning,
Lift,
5.
7. Last one. Inhale, lengthen.
Afternoon, 5,
Exhale.
and evening 5.
8. And then slowly release. Just for a moment. Tuck your toes. Sit on your
5
heels.
repetitions standing.
Come onto the heels and then rotate the wrist around. So give your wrist a little bit of a stretch and then release.
No, 5 repetitions, that's 1.
Rotate to the other side.
5 repetitions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 repetitions. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 repetitions
Take an inhale, stretch all the way up.
4, 5. You done.
Exhale, release.
You done.
We place the hands
Good
down
before
again. We tuck the toes
Before
in.
meal.
So your knees are right below the hips. We lift the knees off the ground ever so slightly, about 2 inches
Okay.
off the ground.
That's the homework.
Just the knees go up 2
Very
inches.
better.
We engage the lower core here. We hold this, we hold this. Breathe in,
Legs,
breathe out.
upper body.
Stay here. Your hands are firmly into the mat. For 3, 2,
Yeah.
and 1. Hips go up and back, downward facing dog. And go ahead and start pedaling the heels one at a time to feel the stretch in the calf muscles. One side and the other. Stay here.
Yes. Yes.
Breathe in, breathe out. Relax your head between your arms. You're gazing towards your navel. One foot in, 1 foot out. 1 foot in, 1 foot out. 1 foot in, 1 foot out. Now see if you can bring both heels towards the ground. Feel the stretch. Relax your head.
So I'm a Jewish.
Relax your head. For 3,
Part of my
for 2,
family from
and 1. Knees come to the ground.
part from Russia.
We lower the chest to the ground all the way. Lower the chest. Give that kitty allowance. Hands are by your sides. We press through the top of the feet, engage your glute, and slightly lift your chest off the ground. If this causes low back, then let me know. And then start moving slowly one side to the other. Just stretching the hips from one side to the other. Like you want to look behind you towards the heels. Take your time here. Breathing in, nice job. Breathing out. One more inhale. One more exhale, and then slowly lower down. Relax your body. We're gonna take the arms forward. The legs are back. We're gonna lift like a Supergirl pose. Lift up, inhale, exhale, stay here. We're flying, we're breathing. Inhale, exhale, stay here. Engage your glutes, lift up, breathe in. You're pressing through that pelvic bone, lift everything else for 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release. Press the hands to the mat. Take a child's pose. So hips come towards the heels. Relax the forehead to the ground. Let your body relax here for a moment. Allow your forehead to hit the ground. Allow the body to relax. You can move and sway the hips side to side here. And feel the low back. Yeah, so relax your head. Feel the low back. And nice and slowly we come back to tabletop. We can tuck the toes in. Push the hips up, downward dog. Lift the right leg off the ground. So lift the right leg all the way up. All the way up. Lift the right leg all the way up. You can bend your knee and open the hip here. And then bring the knee to the nose and plant the foot on the ground. So you want to try to plant it on the outside of your right hand. Outside of your right hand. There we go. And now lower the back knee on the ground if you can. There we go. So walk that foot forward if you can a little bit more. There we go. We stay here. We breathe in. You're opening the front of the hip. You can stay here if you want to, or you can come onto the forearms, okay? And try to relax here for a moment. We're still breathing. Stretch.
It's supposed to be flat on the ground.
The what?
The right foot is supposed to be flat.
That's fine. Yeah, preferably. Yeah, preferably. Stay there. Try to relax into the pose. Try to relax your shoulders. Slowly come back into your hands. So straight up to the hands. Your right hand is gonna press that knee away. So that way your right foot goes up a little. Yeah, the arch of the foot goes up. So we're stretching the hip here. Deep inhale. You can look over the left shoulder a little bit, like we're twisting. Deep breath in, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Nice and slowly release back to center. We're gonna tuck the back toes in, we'll lift. We take the right hand around and step to a high plank pose. Yeah, drop the hips down a little. There we go. Let's see if we can come to a side plank pose. So we go on to the right side. Can you do this?
That is so not happening.
Okay, do it on the forearm, so that's an option. Yeah, and lift the left arm up, left arm up. There we go. Stay here. Hold it. Hold it. Breathe in. Feel into the hip, like you're strengthening the hip up, lifting the hip up. Breathe in. Breathe out. For 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let go. Nice job. All right, we gotta do the other side. So let's go back to our tabletop position. Take a deep inhale, exhale, just to reset. And we're gonna back to our downward dog. On the inhale, left leg, lift it up high. We bend the knee, we open the hip. So bend the knee towards the glute. And then we bring the foot in. Yeah, nice job. Inhale, drop the back knee. And then you can stay here or you can come down to the forearms. Go ahead and take it down if you can. Relax the head and find your breath here. Deep breath in, exhale. Allow the stretch to happen naturally without straining or overdoing. Nice and slowly we come back into the hands. We use that left hand to press the knee away. And you can look over the right shoulder this time if you want to. Feel the stretch, feel the twist, feel your hip. And then slowly release. Walk the hand to the outside, lift the back leg up, high plank pose. From the high plank pose, we're gonna go onto the left side plank. So either hand or forearm is okay. And again, raise the hips up, engage your oblique side. Yeah. For 4, for 5, take a deep inhale, exhale, and then slowly release. Nice job. All right, back to a seated position. We bring the feet together, we lengthen the spine, and we balance the knees up and down. How do you feel? Check in.
Way easier.
Breathe in, breathe out. Stay here. Let's go ahead and take it forward. So bring the forehead towards your feet. You can use your forearms to press down, or you can just take the elbows in front of the shins. And slowly inhale, come all the way up. Bring your knees together, and we're gonna go onto our backs. So go ahead and take it down to the ground. We bring the knees to the chest, we hug the knees in, we roll side to side. One side and the other. Just massage your low back against the ground. And slowly release the feet to the ground. So we're gonna do pelvic tilt. So pelvic tilts, you won't be able to see them that much. What we're doing is we're from the tailbone, we're rolling the tailbone up, so you press the low back to the ground. It's a very slight movement. So your knees are bent, you're pressing the low back to the ground as the tailbone reaches up. So you arch a little bit and then press it. You round into the ground. Let me know if you have trouble doing this. Just light pelvic tilt. We press the low back to the ground just for a moment and come back to center. Slight movement. Rocking the hips forward and back. Now press the low back to the ground actively. Press the low back to the ground. Keep it pressed. You feel the engagement in the abdominal muscles. Keep the hands by your side, so press your palms down to the sides as you continue to press that low back to the ground. And nice and slowly, we're gonna push the feet to the ground and raise the hips off the ground into a bridge pose. So the hips go all the way up. And then slowly on the exhale, we roll the spine down one vertebrae at a time. Again, we tuck this low back to the ground, we press it. And then on the inhale, we lift the bridge all the way up, chin towards the chest. And then as you exhale, go down slowly through the spine. Feel each vertebrae aligning to the ground until your tailbone reaches. And again, go at your own pace. You can close your eyes here. Feel the spine moving. Feel your muscles that support your spine also moving. On the inhale, we reach up, chin to chest. On the exhale, we roll it down slowly. We press the low back, inhale up. Exhale down. Three more times. For two more times. Reach up and down. And one last time. All the way up. All the way down. You open the arms into a T. You allow the knees to fall from one side to the other. As your knees go right, your head goes left. As your knees go left, your head goes right. Notice the stretch at the hips area, also the cervical spine. One side and the other. Side and the other. Slowly bring the knees back to center. We take the right foot over the left thigh into a figure four. So right foot over left thigh, and then we bring the left leg towards you, wrap it around with your hands. Feel the stretch here. Just hold the stretch, relax your head. Breathe it in, breathe it out. Keep breathing in. Keep breathing out to open the hip. Deep breath in, exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. We're gonna take it to the other side. Left foot over the right thigh. The right thigh comes towards you. We hug it in, and we stay here. Okay, let's go back to the other side. So left foot over the right thigh, hug it in and bring it in towards you. And just stay here and breathe. Relax your body. Breathe it in, breathe it out. Feel the glutes stretching. And then slowly release. Go ahead and release. Let's stretch the hamstrings. So take the right leg all the way up, stretch it out, and your other leg can stretch down if that feels comfortable for you. Or you can keep your knee bent. And again, you can use your hands to support this stretch. Slowly release and take it to the other side. So your right leg stretches down, your left leg goes up, and again, find your variation. Support your leg with your hands. And then slowly release. All the way down. Do a full body stretch, arms overhead, feet are down, breathe in. Feel the whole body stretching on the ground. And slowly release, bring the knees to the chest, hug your knees in. Moving side to side. We're gonna go ahead and do one more. So go ahead and shoot your legs up, all the way up to the ceiling. Bring your hands behind, so on top of your low back. Yeah, and then push your belly in and out. You're pushing and pulling, like you're almost like just activating the core. Push and pull, push and pull, push and pull. Flex your feet towards your face as you do this. Push and pull. 1, 2, 3. Keep breathing normally. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Less than. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 30. Bend your knees 90-degree angle. Keep your legs up, but bend your knees 90 degrees. And then lift the arms up like you're holding a tray. Keep your knees above your hips. There we go. And then palms up. Keep pressing the low back to the ground. Close your eyes here. Relax into this posture, like somebody is holding you from your hands and your feet. You keep pressing the low back to the ground at all times. And now take a deep breath in. And then exhale, relaxing the shoulders to the ground. Feel the groundedness. Feel your whole spine against the ground. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Please stay here for 8 more deep breaths. More breaths here. 2. And then slowly drop the feet to the ground. Bring your hands to your lower belly. Bring the feet together. Open your knees away from each other to the sides. Allow your hips to rest here, your knees, your ankles, your feet. Close your eyes. Relax your face. Relax your shoulders. Letting your whole body relax into this pose. With every exhalation, allow your body to sink deeper into the pose. Allow your mind to relax. Nice and slowly bring your knees together, straighten the legs. Let's do just a 1 minute of final rest. Arms to the sides or on your body. Close your eyes completely. Arrange yourself in any way that feels like you're grounded and comfortable on your back. Let everything go just for this moment. Relax the face, the neck, the shoulders, the arms, the hands, the fingers. Relax your chest, your back, your belly. Relax your lower back, your hips. Relax your thighs. Relax the back of the thighs, the knees, the back of the knees, the shins. Relax your calves. Relax your ankles, all the way down to the feet, all the way down to the toes. Feel your body fully relax. In a complete state of surrender, complete sense of trust in your body's ability to balance and heal and restore. Bring to your mind those things that you're grateful for right now. Bring thoughts of gratitude to each body part that you moved today, that you opened. And a thought of gratitude to yourself for taking this time for you. Go ahead and stretch your arms one more time overhead. Stretch your feet down. Full body stretching. And then bring your knees to the chest. Roll over to one side when you're ready for a fetal pose. And slowly you use your opposite hand to push yourself back into a seated position. Welcome back. Roll the shoulders back a few times. Roll the head around. And switch to the other side. Take a moment to place your palms together to recenter. Feel your breath in. Feel your breath out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more breath in. One more breath out. And thanking yourself for taking this time for you, say namaste and your name. Namaste.